Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the quantity selector button on your Shopify theme. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on my dashboard, and I'm going to be going into my theme to edit it. You're going to do so by going into Online Store. It'll automatically take you to the Themes tab, and from here, click Customize next to the theme that you want to customize. From here, you should already have some products set up on your store, at least a test product, which you can change. And the reason for that is so that you can go to products and access the default product page. That'll take you over here, and as you can see, I already have a quantity selector button over here, but let's say for this tutorial I want to remove it. Now that it's gone, what you're going to want to do is click on add a block here to the left under template, and you're going to search for a quantity selector. Click on that, and that's going to add the quantity selector to the bottom. Now you can click on it, drag it, and place it wherever you want. For example, above the buy buttons like it was before, and as you can see now, that is what it looks like. Now you can change the appearance by changing the theme. I'm pretty sure in one theme you only have one set appearance which you can use, but other than that, it's pretty much it. Now if I click on it, as you can see, there's no customizable settings available, so that is pretty much all you have. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.